Nowadays, many schools are facing low parent engagement and student behavior challenges and disconnection between home and school. At Disciplina Positiva, connection first, then direction. Because behavior follows relationship. Hello, my name is Tony Orozco, and if you're ready to strengthen your parent community, schedule a 20-minute Zoom meeting using the link below. Hear what school leaders are saying.
Hi, my name is Christina and I'm with Orange High School. I work as the community school site lead. My job within Orange Unified is to do family and community engagement. We love having Tony Orozco and his program, Disciplina Positiva, on our campus because it gives parents the tools they need to communicate with their students and remove barriers that come with adolescence. So I encourage you to take advantage of such a great program so you can help your students succeed.
Hi, good morning, everyone. This is David Dunstan, Director of the Multilingual Department and Student Support at the Antelope Valley Union High School District. And we have a partnership with the amazing Tony Orozco with Disciplina Positiva. And what Tony brings to our district the last 7 to 10 years, especially this year, is motivational energy, enthusiasm. He connects with our parents. And today, here on November 3rd, 2025, we had over 100 parents in here just rocking it, enjoying all the discussions. And the theme was connecting parents to their students' inner self and connecting back to academic things. And always it's about student achievement and connecting to positive energy. In fact, Disciplina Positiva is positive energy. Go, Tony Orozco! And we shout out to you. Thank you, Tony.